We're all so proud of you.
Thank you. Hey plant friends, welcome to my channel. So today I want to do a little update about my begonia. So a few weeks ago I repotted this Begonia Pavonina and it's been going gangbusters. So I have a ton of new growth. I have some blooms, which are tiny little guys. And I don't know if that's how the blooms are supposed to be or if it's just in less than ideal conditions, so they kind of get a little weird, but they're pretty delicate. I also have these 4 leaves down here that are pretty saggy. These leaves usually tell me that I need to water it, but I think that I'm also going to cut these leaves off. I'm planning on propagating them, but I'm really excited to share with you my propagation station. So in here is the begonia leaf that I cut up and stuck in dirt, and then the leaf that I stuck in water. So let me fish them out of here. I use these for flower. I have 3 of these. One has flour, one has sugar. This one's empty. So initially I put the propagations in here with the lid covered, and then when I saw the when I saw the leaves starting to come out, I took the lid off. I still keep the humidity a bit higher in here, but I'm going to start weaning them off. So this is a little pot that had initially 3 leaf cuttings in it. And this was just put in water. And go ahead and look back at my original video. So the thing that I am most impressed with is the leaf cuttings. I had 3 cuttings initially, 1, 2, 3. 2 of them have sprouted. 1 of them is rooted in. Oh no, there's a little baby leaf. So they've all sprouted. Okay, let me get really close. So you can see the little leaves here, and their bright red back sides. And this guy right here has little tiny buddies right there. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, that's so exciting. Okay, so eventually the old leaf will just kind of rot away at the base, or not rot away, but like dry away, and you can take it out of the soil. And that's what happened here. So I'm gonna throw this part out. Yeah, that one's still attached, I'm not doing anything. This one is still attached, so I'm not doing anything. But that's so exciting, it's really exciting. You can see which way the sun is as well. I try to turn this guy basically every other day. It's just because it's in a very bright window. So this is my Begonia Pavonina cutting. I did the 3-leaf cutting like I just said, and it has been going gangbusters. So I think I might get rid of this plant, not get rid of it, but like trade it or do something with it. I just want to make sure that somebody who wants it can have it. It was a super great success for me. And this is the cutting that I put in water. So this is, I took a gigantic, a really long leaf cutting, basically as long as this, and I just cut it off at the base and stuck the whole thing in water. About a week later, I was like, that's dumb. So I cut it off even shorter. So it was only a few inches long, maybe 3 inches long, and it sprouted roots up the whole stem. So I left it in water for a really long time. And now the center of the leaf has started to sprout new growth. So when I noticed that happening, as well as the roots in the water getting to be about 1 inch long, I put it in this little pot. This is a 2-inch pot that I upcycled from my Alocasia Friday. Like I said when I first did this video, this was an experiment. I've never done this before, and it was probably a dumb thing for me to get a fancy pants begonia straight off the bat, but I did it anyway, and it worked. So I'm really excited about that, and I thought I would update you guys because I didn't do a video last week, and I'm really too lazy to do anything else. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, I guess. If not, don't, whatever. But it'd be lovely to have you back, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!